Okay, I went ahead and did my eyebrows and primed my eyes off camera to go ahead and cut time. I'm just going to be going in with that Shiny Cosmetics palette that I got from Amazon. And I'm going to be starting off with kind of like a dark brown. I'm doing the reverse method, which is basically just putting the color in your crease first, then doing your transition, and then blending it out. This is my first time doing it, so y'all bear with me. But it's actually pretty simple. Oh, and y'all excuse that lace on the side. I didn't glue my wig down yet, but focus on the makeup. Focus on the makeup, okay? That's what we here for, the makeup. But yep, I'm just packing that in my crease. And like I said, I'm going to blend it after. And now right here, I'm just taking another warm brown. And I'm using a fluffy blending brush just to blend it out. Then next, I'm going to take a gold for my brow bone highlight. Y'all, these colors are all in the same palette. Okay, so I'm going in next. I'm finna carve out my crease. You already know that LA Girl white base is my holy grail. And what I'm doing right here is just putting some on my brush. So for cut creases, the best way that I can explain them, you have to practice, but the easiest way to do it is with a really thick base so it doesn't be runny and transfer. And you start from your tear duct and go up. Hold on. You go up and over, but I'm going over my nacho crease. My real crease is actually pretty small, so you have to, find out where your real crease is at. But like I said, just go up and over. Then I'm gonna go in with that pretty, it's kind of like a turquoise teal blue. Yeah, I usually don't do blue, so this is different for me, but I actually love the way this look came out. And as you can see, I'm just patting. I'm not swiping, I'm just patting. And another thing, you want to make sure that your base is completely dry before you do this, because it's gonna mix and mess up the color, and you don't want that. So make sure that it's dry, and that when you put it on is that to pat it on. And just keep on packing that color on. Okay, so right here I went in with like a dark blue color, and I just wanted to, you know, make the crease a little bit more sharp. You know, like my cut crease is pretty clean, so I went in with like a dark blue to just clean it up a little bit. Okay, so I went back into that brown just to clean up those rigidy edges from the base and to make it look more neater. And then I went in with a smaller blending brush, and I'm actually going to add some of that dark blue that I used to clean the cut crease with in the outer V, just to give it, like, you know, some type of depth. You know, nice little transition from the different blues. I think this look came out very pretty, y'all. I really loved it. Then I'm going in with that same dark blue up under my eye just to kind of smoke it out. I usually don't really put anything under my eyes, but I was like, why not? So yeah, just put that right up under there. Just being extra. Y'all know how that go. Okay guys, so here's the finished look. I went ahead and did my foundation and lips off camera. If you guys want to see how I do my foundation, just let me know, but they're in my other makeup tutorials. And guys, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.